Nikon has been a leader in photography for decades, offering cameras that combine cutting-edge technology with exceptional image quality. From versatile mirrorless models to professional DSLRs, Nikon cameras cater to beginners and pros alike, making them a top choice for capturing stunning photos and videos. Starting at number 1, Nikon Z30 camera. The Nikon Z30 with wide-angle zoom lens is Nikon's most compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, designed for both still photography and video. It features a 20.9 MP DX format sensor, a vari-angle touchscreen, and 4K video recording, making it perfect for content creators and everyday photographers alike. Paired with the versatile 16 to 50mm wide-angle zoom lens, the Z30 offers flexibility for travel, vlogging, and capturing stunning shots with ease, all in a portable and user-friendly design. Number 2. Nikon Z50 II Camera. The Nikon Z50 II is a compact and versatile mirrorless camera designed for both still photography and video creators. It features a 20.9 MP APS-C DX format sensor, advanced autofocus, and easy color presets that let you quickly apply creative looks to your shots, along with wireless photo sharing via Nikon's SnapBridge app for fast transfer to your smart device. With strong 4K UHD video capabilities and a lightweight, travel-friendly build, the Z50 II is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and content creators seeking quality performance in a portable body. Number 3. Nikon Z6 II. The Nikon Z6 II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless hybrid camera that excels in both still photography and video, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It features a 24.5 MP FX format sensor, dual XP 6 processors for fast performance, and an advanced 273-point autofocus system, while offering 4K Ultra HD video, excellent low-light capability, and dual memory card slots for flexible workflow and reliability. Lightweight yet powerful, the Z6 II brings strength in speed, image quality, and creative features to a wide range of shooting scenarios. Number 4. Nikon Z5 II. The Nikon Z5 II is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that blends high-quality stills and video performance in a sleek, versatile body. It sports a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor with Nikon's advanced XP 7 image processor for faster autofocus and excellent low-light performance, plus 5-axis in-body image stabilization and a bright vari-angle touchscreen. With strong 4K UHD video recording, robust subject detection, and dual SD card slots, the Z5 II is ideal for enthusiasts and hybrid shooters who want professional-level features without a bulky setup. Number 5. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a high-performance, full-frame, mirrorless stills and video hybrid camera that brings flagship-level imaging and video capabilities in a more compact and lightweight body. It features a 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor, advanced autofocus with deep learning subject detection, blackout-free viewfinder, and 8K 60p plus 4K 120p video recording, making it ideal for professional photographers and videographers who need both stunning image quality and robust performance across diverse shooting situations.